Hey guys, it's Dr. BB. First and foremost, I miss you so much if you haven't already seen my original video, and I cannot wait to touch base with you guys next week. I miss you more than you know. The point of this video is for me to show you what the plan is anyway for now, for exactly how you're going to get to your assignments starting this week. So it's all going to be on Google Classroom. As you guys know, the stream is kind of the confusing place to be. So you always want to go right here to where it says classwork. And you are always going to see under the classwork tab from now on, there will be a heading that says NTI. You don't need to worry about different categories from now on or anything like that. It's all going to be under NTI. And it's all going to be listed by assignment by week. So the very first thing that's going to pop up on your screens on Monday, and I know that we don't have school on Monday, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on there for you for those of you guys that want to get an early start. You're going to see the first assignment says NTI week, April the 7th through the 10th. So do not just randomly start clicking on stuff. Instead, what I need you to do is go to view assignment. That is where you're going to want to be. And go over here to the your work section and look for the document that says Google Sheets. I know there's going to be a lot of other stuff over there, but the form that outlines what all your work for the week is going to be right there under that Google Sheets. And it's going to be organized according to, you guessed it, date. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if you're looking at this week, you're going to see that obviously, you know, everything for Monday, if you had a Monday assignment, would be in this column, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. I know that this is a crazy time for all of us right now, and so I am not having you stick to, you know, a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday deadline. So you're going to see here, it says all weekly work is due by Saturday at noon. So noon is actually when I'm going to go through and I'm going to check for all your assignments. So how you get that done according to your schedule and what is going to work for you and the needs of your family is kind of up to you. So I'm not putting any grades in the grade book until Saturday at noon. So let me show you all the different categories. So first of all, I have directions embedded in the form of video for every single piece of directions you're going to need. So for starters, right here, I've given you directions for exactly how I want you to highlight each cell. Basically, any place that you see click here, there's always going to be a video to explain that to you. So until you've gone through and looked at all the click here's, of course, I'm happy, you know, for any questions. But try looking there first. So like, for example, I'm going to click on there. Look, there's a link that pops up. That is going to take you to a YouTube video that explains how to highlight each cell to indicate to me that you've done it. So voila, there's the video where I explain how to do it. And you're going to see that I have a video for every single place that says click here. So for example, the pink section, it says this is math class. So you know I'm going to need to see your work. Click here to show options for how to turn it in. So you're literally going to click right there. A link will pop up. So the link pops up. That'll show you how to get to exactly all the different ways that you can turn in your work. And of course, the internet's being kind of slow right now, but oh, there we go. So you see the video, how to upload Scratch work to Google Classroom. So what I've really tried to do is include an example for literally anything you're going to have a question about. So it says click here for everything. That's also going to hold true for all of your assignments. So you should be able to just click right on directly on the assignment. So you'll see where it says notes lesson. So next to each day of the week, I've included videos that take you straight to how to get to each set of notes. Then right after that, there's a link that takes you directly to the classwork for that day. So then you can see here next to, classwork, I've given you a link that shows you exactly where the link is to go to each piece of the classwork. You see how many points everything is. You see if you have quizzes or tests coming up, where those are going to be. You see how many points, or there's a place for points and for tests. There are also ways for you to sign up to get extra help for things and to sign up to make appointments with me. And again, all of those are labeled too. So for example, like large work group time, there's a place for you to click to see how to sign up for that. There's my email. There's a way to text me. So for a video that explains how to sign up for extra help. Basically, I've embedded videos, I think, into every single thing you could possibly need. There's also an extra credit section for each day. If you scroll down to the bottom, it'll give you chances for extra practice and extra credit. So I've tried to make it as user-friendly as possible. And again, this will be posted at the first day of every single week, right here on Google Classroom, according to the date. And it'll be right at the top. And, this is going to be a work in progress. I am absolutely happy to answer 1,000 questions because I don't really know how this is going to go either. So please don't hesitate to reach out. The only other thing I'm going to ask you is that you pretty please add a comment to the assignment where this video is. You will get extra credit. It's going to be your very first assignment. All you need to do is add either a private comment or you can add a public. So again, you can add a public comment or private comment. That'll be your first extra credit assignment. Just letting me know that you saw this video. And if you have a question that you would rather not ask in front of the group, you can just ask a private question by doing a private comment on the assignment. Or of course, you can email me too. I am so excited to see you guys next week. And let me know if you got any questions.